Now the motherfucker's on. All you gotta do is just point the motherfucker. Handle that. Put in a fucking battery.
Why you gotta go there?
No, wait, bring that shit over here. Get that fucking music. This is what we do in LA, brother.
Smokey, baby. Smokey and the Bandit.
Yeah! At least something burning some fucking rubber.
Woo. It's posse, baby, like a motherfucker. Woo! Look at that.
Next! Step right up. Burnout competition. Get some more water here. Yeah! Woo! God damn! Atta boy!
We need to cut the fan off, goddammit! I didn't do it!
Goddamn, Darnell, what'd you do?
I don't know, the fan just stopped blowing.
Holy shit. Friday at Spanky's Machine Shop. At least we got something to burn rubber now. 10-4.